Creating 3D films has always been a dream for many storytellers. With advances in technology, this dream is now more accessible than ever. AI tools like Minimax AI have made it possible to generate consistent and high-quality 3D animations. Imagine creating a beautiful 3D animation of Little Red Riding Hood where every character looks the same in every scene. This technology can help you create viral 3D films and potentially earn you $500 or more each month. In this essay, I will guide you through the process of making your own 3D films using AI. We will cover everything from developing a compelling story and characters to generating images, animating, adding sound, and finally, making money from your creations. By following these steps, you can create engaging and viral 3D films that stand out. Creating 3D films is not just about technology, it's about storytelling. A well-told story with relatable characters can capture the audience's heart and make your film go viral. So, let's dive into the exciting world of AI-powered 3D animation. The foundation of any great film is a compelling story and memorable characters. Start by brainstorming ideas for your story. Think about what kind of tale you want to tell. Is it an adventure, a romance, or maybe a comedy? Outline your plot and key events. Next, focus on your characters. Create detailed descriptions for each one. What do they look like? What are their personalities? Characters are the heart of your story. They should be relatable and engaging. A strong story and well-developed characters will capture your audience's attention. With your story and characters ready, it's time to bring them to life visually. AI image generators like Minimax or Flux are excellent tools for this purpose. Input your character descriptions and scene settings into the AI, and it will generate high-quality images for you. When generating images, aim for multiple options per scene. This gives you more flexibility in choosing the best visuals. Review the generated images carefully. Look for any inconsistencies in character design or scene details. Minor issues can be fixed later, but the overall look and feel should remain consistent. Consistency is key in animation. Ensure that your characters look the same in every scene. This helps maintain the audience's immersion in your story. If there are variations in clothing or props, make note of them and decide how to address them in your animation process. Using AI to generate images saves time and ensures high-quality visuals. It allows you to focus more on storytelling and less on manual drawing or rendering. Section 4. Animating your story. Now that you have your images, it's time to animate them. Online tools like CapCut or InShot are user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Upload your images and arrange them according to your storyboard. This is where your story starts moving. Experiment with different camera movements and transitions. A slow zoom can highlight a character's emotions, while a quick pan can create excitement. Try out various effects to see what works best for your scenes. Keep the animation smooth and ensure each scene flows into the next seamlessly. Animation is a creative process. Don't hesitate to try new things and see how they look. Your goal is to make the animation engaging and visually appealing. Pay attention to pacing. Too fast, and the audience may miss important details. Too slow, and they might lose interest. Animating your story is where imagination meets technology. It's a fun and rewarding part of the process that brings your vision to life. Section 5. Adding sound and voiceover. Sound is a powerful tool in filmmaking. It adds depth and emotion to your story. Start by choosing background music that fits the mood of your scenes. There are many royalty-free music libraries available online, such as Clipchamp. Select tracks that enhance the atmosphere of your film. Next, add sound effects. These can range from footsteps to ambient noises. They make your scenes more realistic and immersive. Use sound editing software to synchronize these effects with your animation. Voiceover is another critical element. It brings your characters to life. You can record your own voice or use AI-generated voices. Experiment with different tones and styles to find the best match for your characters. Make sure the narration complements the visuals and adds to the storytelling. Sound and voiceover are the finishing touches that elevate your 3D film. They make the viewing experience richer and more engaging. Earning $500 a month with your 3D films. Share your completed 3D film and start earning money. Platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and TikTok are great for showcasing your work. Create a channel and upload your films regularly. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and viewer support. Engage with your audience and build a community. Use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon for direct support. Multiple revenue streams can help you earn $500 or more each month. Turn your creative passion into income. Happy filmmaking.